USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this pair called the USD, dollar against yen. Okay, so before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you'll find these links. If you want some swing setups, then you can join this program, Swing Like a Pro, and check this consultation. If you want to talk to me, you can talk to me by booking the appointment here, but always join free Telegram. So Telegram is fun. I'll send all my swing setups in Telegram, which you can see. So go and join free Telegram. Subscribe, like and share. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are zigzag. Okay, we have longer wicks. You see, long wick here, long wick here, long wicks, long wicks in each candle weekly. Okay, that's not good. Coming back to Delhi. This is war. This is Iran versus America war. You see here, from here, 13th March, war. Zigzag consolidation. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, do not trade USDJPY these days. Do you get it? 4 hour is what you see, zigzag. So we are zigzag here, we are zigzag here. This is war. Now, why is this happening with USDJPY? You need to know the economics, okay? Japanese yen is directly dependent on US dollar. So Japanese economy is directly dependent on US economy. Yen is dependent on dollar, okay? If dollar goes down, yen also goes down. That is why it's not able to decide which one is which currency is dominating right now. Nobody's dominating. USD is going down, so USD is not dominating yen, and because yen is dependent on dollar, so yen is also going down, so yen can't dominate dollar anyway. That is why zigzag. So avoid USDJPY. There's no trade in USDJPY. Understand? Maybe you don't. That's not my job. Too much for free. Okay, so don't trade USDJPY. There are too many other pairs. Go and watch my other videos. And if you want some swing setups in multiple pairs, for example, you see the chart here, I have like maybe more than 25 pairs. You see, I can scroll further down. So I have 25 pairs. I can scan them and I can give you swing setups. You will have too many trades to trade. So if you want to join, then go and become a pro, swing like a pro, this link. Otherwise, you can talk to me if you don't want to. So subscribe, like and share, join free Telegram. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.